Welcome back to BA Media. Imagine the incredible opportunities of earning up to $600 per day simply by inputting names online. Here's how it works. You receive money from writing a single word or name like Michael or Bill. The potential income is promising. With $20 for typing a few names, $100 for 5 pages, and an impressive $400 for 20 pages. The best part is that there is no limit to how much you can earn. You can type as much as you want. This opportunity is accessible to everyone worldwide, and it can be done conveniently on your phone or computer. The best thing is, it's completely free to join. However, please ensure you watch until the end to avoid missing out on the sign-up procedure, which can be a bit challenging. And many people often make mistakes. But don't worry, BA Media will guide you through the entire process, helping you improve your skills and teaching you how to earn money online without any limitations. To stay updated on new online making money methods, you can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for new video uploads. Our channel welcomes all opinions, so feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Now let's get back to the video. By using the calculator on this website, you can estimate the potential earnings from this exciting opportunity. Pay close attention to the word rate, which is set to 10 cents per word. For example, the first page of the project contains approximately 300 words, as does the second page and the third page. You can earn money for entering names as well. On this website, you can make $20 for writing 300-word articles. As you scroll down, you'll see a total of 300 names listed. In other words, you can earn $20 by simply inputting names on this website. You can have the potential to receive up to 20 pages per day, which means you can easily make $400 or even $600 per day by typing names on this website. First and foremost, we want you to visit talentdesire.com, where you can work from home and earn money without spending a single dollar. This opportunity is completely free and no money or investment is required to get started. As you scroll down on the website, you'll find various work from home options such as online proofreading, freelance blogging, language transitions, and online surveys. However, in this video, we will focus on only typing jobs as they are simple and don't require any experience or technical expertise. On this page, you can find an online typing job that offers an annual earning potential ranging from $13 to $27,000. It's a fantastic opportunity for individuals worldwide to make money. Registration is completely free and there are no hidden fees or contributions required before and after becoming a member. This opportunity is open to everyone globally. Depending on your skill level, the compensation will vary, catering both beginners and professionals. We'll soon reveal the secret tip that can help you to earn a higher rate. Even as a beginner, you have the potential to earn at an advanced level. We'll share the strategy with you shortly, which nobody else is aware of. If you have been enjoying this video so far, now it's the perfect time to subscribe to this channel. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future uploads. Let's continue the video. Now we will introduce the first bonus tip that can help you earn a higher rate by simply entering names online. Visit ratatype.com, the main website page where you can take a free typing test. Click on yellow icon and you will be directed to a page where you can start typing on your mobile devices or PC. By completing the typing test on this website, you can receive a certificate, and we strongly encourage you to take it. The certificate will boost your sales and earnings per page, making it a valuable asset. For instance, if you want to earn $20 for each page you type, having the certification is crucial. It's a best kept secret because having a typing certificate proves your proficiency and open doors for higher paying opportunities and unlimited career options. With a certificate, you can potentially earn $400 or even $600 by simply entering names. Once you start typing on the website, they will calculate the words per minute, rate, and accuracy. It's vital to stay tuned and learn precisely how to obtain the certificate and how to submit your application on talentdesire.com. Aim for an accuracy level between 98% and 99.9%, regardless of spelling and typing errors. The higher your position, the more money you'll earn. By taking a typing test and acquiring a certificate on this website, you can showcase your typing speed and accuracy, leading to a rapid increase in your payout rate. Let us provide a step-by-step demonstration on how to quickly complete the test. To earn your free certificates in less than 5 minutes using a real-world example, once you have finished typing, your typing speed will be displayed below. Here are our actual results. If your typing speed or accuracy is below 98%, you can return to ratatype.com and repeat the free typing test until you improve. Now with your results, scroll down and sign up for free account. Click the provided link and enter your name, email address, and password. Accept the terms and conditions, and then click the yellow sign up button. After registering, log into your Ratatype account. Your name will be shown on the dashboard along with your typing speed and accuracy result. If you scroll down, you'll notice that this is your certificate. You will be directed to a page stating that it has been granted to you for your proficiency in typing in English. The certificate will display the signature from ratatype.com. The certificate is highly valuable as it verifies your typing skills' authenticity, leading to increased compensation. Continue watching as we demonstrate how to sign up, register, and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com. To begin receiving typing job opportunities, you can click the bottom to print your certificate, or you can save it as an image or PDF file on your computer or mobile devices. The certificate we obtained from the Ratatype website is shown here, and it was obtained for free. Once you have the certification, you can apply for the job. Now let's navigate to talentdesire.com and scroll to the bottom of the page to click the Apply Now red button. This will take you to the page where you can start the application process. Scroll down on that page and select the appropriate application by clicking the red link. You'll be directed to an online application for work-from-home opportunities. Scroll to the bottom of the page and find the red link that says Apply and Work for Us. Provide your personal information such as your first name and last name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to accept the privacy policy. The next section focuses on your professional information, which is crucial and often misunderstood by many. Fill out the job title section exactly as shown and select the appropriate format. Remember, this step is important to get right. Now, click the downward arrow to select your preferred working hours. We recommend choosing the entire day, as it provides more options for employment and allows you to earn more money online. Next, select your preferred method of receiving earnings by clicking the downward arrow and choosing either PayPal, Pioneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. In the example provided, select your professional standing, such as self-employed, and enter all the required information. Click Continue after ensuring that you have read and accepted the preceding terms and conditions. Remember to include your signature by entering your full name. Complete the I am not robot verification and then click the Submit button. Once your application is accepted, you can start receiving typing jobs such as one mentioned, where you can start earning $20 for typing just 300 words. This rate applies to each page you type. However, it's important to submit your work on time to continue receiving daily job opportunities. And that's a wrap for today's video, providing you a valuable information on this incredible opportunity. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, we kindly request you to show your support by giving us a thumbs up. Your feedback means a lot to us. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be joining our community of like-minded individuals who are interested in exploring various online making methods. Additionally, don't forget to click the notification bell icon to ensure that you never miss an update. This way, you will be promptly notified whenever we upload new videos, keeping you informed and engaged. We're dedicated to bringing you the latest insight and opportunity for earning money online. We understand that the digital landscape is constantly evolving, so we strive to keep you informed about new methods and techniques. Our goal is to help you enhance your skills, expand your income potential, and seize the limitless opportunity available to you. As always, we appreciate your support and engagement. Thank you for watching today's video, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.